Gonna butter it up. My butter is jumping around. Okay. We find some heat on it. We fire it up. I think that's enough. Okay, I put a little oil. Got my saved cabbage. I liked the salad, so I'm gonna make one with the egg. I really wanted to use the mashed onion. It has a nice flavor and color to it. Whee! Can it be done? My God! I need help here. Halfway is good. We tried. Okay, it is ready. I'm gonna do a half because I already see it's big. And put it on my pan right there. This is my butter knife, so we are gonna use this one with some tomatoes. Why not? They're juicy. Voila. There you have your breakfast sandwich. I put the top bun at the bottom, which is interesting. How are we gonna flip it? My bad. Oh boy. This is how you clean your plate. Voila. Bon appetit.